Hi guys, my name is Mark Hefner and this is Google Hangouts Meet training. So what is Google Hangouts Meet? Google Hangouts Meet is video meetings for your business. It allows you to connect with your team from anywhere with easy to join video calls. You can meet face-to-face without the added cost of travel, which nowadays is really important if you want to save some money. Just set up a meeting and share a link. Meet is fully integrated with G Suite, so you can join meetings directly from a calendar event or email invites. All the important event details are right there when you need them, whether you're joining from a computer, a phone, or a conference room. That's right. Specific instructions can be found at support.google.com/meet. So let's go there now and just look what that looks like. support.google.com/meet. And you can see it right here. So if you want to get some of the specific instructions, you can click join a meeting, add people to a meeting, or you can just click start and join a video meeting or introduction to Google Meets, and the first part, get Hangouts Meet training and tutorials. You click it and it'll take you to another training page. So this is a quick start video, and I'm not going to go through the training instructions. I'm just going to show you real quick how to get started, set up, and have your meeting. So let's get started. So step 1, in your web browser, navigate to meet.google.com. So let's do that. meet.google.com. And then the next thing you do is click join or start a meeting on the right middle part of your page. In step 3, you enter a meeting code or a nickname. Now you have two choices at this part. You can give your meeting a name and press continue, or you can just press continue. If you give the meeting a name, it lets participants know they're in the right virtual meeting. For example, my school-curriculum-meeting. Now I'll type that in there. My school-curriculum-meeting. The name, when you actually open this up, will be in the bottom left corner of the screen when the meeting starts. The meeting name can only be used within the organization. Participants from outside the organization will need the meeting web address to join the meeting. If you just press continue, you don't give your meeting a name, the words meeting details will be in the lower left bottom of the page. So let's click now to continue on our screen, and it'll bring up the start page. So once you see the meeting, my school-curriculum-meeting page, will start here. All you have to do is click join the meeting. If other people are there, it will list them right above the join meeting button. The first thing you see when you join the meeting is the opportunity to add more people. So it says my school-curriculum-meeting, and it reminds you that meeting nickname can only be used within the organization that you belong to. And then you can share the info with people. You can copy the joining info and email it out to people, or you can just add people directly if they're within your organization. Well, you can click outside that window and that'll disappear. Okay, and the top right corner of the screen is the list of participants and the chat window. Clicking a participant is used when pinning participants to specific areas of the view screen. Clicking the chat window will allow participants to send messages to a group so everyone else can see it. So let's look at that real quick. So I'm the only participant here, so I can click it and then just pin it right there. If I want to chat, I would open it up here, and then I can send a message to the group, and it'll post it so everybody can see the message. There are no private messages within the meeting, so be careful what you say because everybody's going to see it. Okay, in the bottom right corner of the menu is the setting menu. So in the setting menus, you can change the layout, the way the participants can see it, and let me click on that real quick so you can see what I mean. You can have a sidebar layout where everybody's on the side. You can have one person selected, or you can have a tiled layout where the participants are spread throughout the page. And this one I like the best, the tiled layout. So you can see everybody's looking or not looking or paying attention and everything. So it's a nice view for it. So also in the settings menu, you have the option to turn on full screen on and off. You can turn on captions when selected, and it will type everything you say. This is pretty cool if you have people who are not native English speakers. If you put the words up every time you say something, in fact, let's turn that on now, turn on captions. You can see that whatever you say will be typed, and it will not always be correct, by the way. Sometimes it will be incorrect depending on your pronunciation of words. And if I try to look at it and read it while I am talking, I will get messed up in what I'm trying to say. So I'm trying not to look at it. Okay, so let's see what else we got. Let's turn off that because it's distracting to me. The settings will bring up the devices that you use for the camera, the microphone, and the speaker, and also the quality of the video that you want to have your meeting in. High definition, or if you have a low bandwidth options, you would select 360 standard definition. High bandwidth is better. Okay, let's see. It also lets you report a problem, lets you send a problem directly to Google, and help takes you to the instructions on how to use Google Hangouts Meet. Okay, the present now is how you present a presentation to a group of individuals. This is your virtual meeting. This is what makes this program so nice. So let's say, for instance, I want to share a window, and let's say I want to share this window here, and this is where my meetings are at, my information's at. Say I got a group of students I want to train on how to balance their internet time and their real life time. Now I've opened up this window, and if I want to see it on my meeting window, I have to click on the meeting. And I don't know if you can see it here, but it shows that I'm in the meeting and my presentation is in the meeting. And if I click on it, it will open up the presentation in my window, and then I can see what I'm showing everybody else. Okay, so once I click present, it'll go full screen, and that's what it'll look like. And then I can start using Google Slides just like normal. I can also use the pointer. I can turn on video. I can stop the video, go to the next screen. I can do closed captions. It will type everything that I say as well, which is great, I guess, for people who don't speak English as a first language. And this helps them out a lot. And then when you're finished with the meeting, you go back to your You Are Presenting button that we had before, and then you click Stop Presenting. And that's it. Okay, the next button is the Turn On Captions button, and it turns your captions on or off. It's really quick if you want to just bring it up. The center buttons are next, the Turn Cam On or Off, the In Call, the red button, and then the Turn Off Microphone, Turn On Microphone. Over to the left are the meeting details. It will either say meeting details or it will give the name of the meeting. And we gave it My School-Curriculum-Meeting. If you click it, it will bring up the meeting details. You can copy them and then just send them to whoever you want to send them to, like in a Gmail, start a meeting, compose, and then you would just Control V to add the meeting details there, or you can add it to a calendar invite. That's pretty easy. Okay, so back to our screen. Attachments will be put into Google Calendar. You attach them to Google Calendar when you create the virtual meeting, and you can find them here in the meeting. That's where they will go. Okay, let's see what else. To end the meeting, click on the red handset icon at the bottom center of the page. meeting is over. How was the audio video? It was very good. Thank you for your feedback. That's all for now. If you have any questions or comments, please send an email to me at mhefner@nis.ac.th. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.